Hi YouTube, this is how to make a hot glue nose. I just got a piece of scrap paper. You can use any kind of paper, it doesn't really matter. A writing utensil, a hot glue gun, and of course you're going to need a mask of some kind for the nose to go on. So first step is to sketch out what you want the nose to look like. The best way that I found to do this is to make a T shape, turn it into a triangle, add a couple of little circles for the nostrils, and then just round out the corners. It's pretty simple and it's super adaptable to change into any type of nose that you want from there. Then you just cover that in some hot glue, wait for that to cool, and I do a second layer of hot glue, but that is optional. After that, you just gotta wait for it to cool down. And I use the edge of the hot glue gun to actually kind of meld some of those rough edges down. It just makes it a lot more smooth and looks great at the end. It is also optional. Then you just have to cut that out. And you have a cute little nose. You can paint this or color it with anything that'll stick to the hot glue. I'm just using Sharpie here, but my preferred medium is usually acrylic paint. You do need a few layers if you don't have any primer, so you can just cover it in white a few times and wait for it to dry in between. After that, you can stick it onto your nose, or onto your mask. I usually fleece my masks before this, but just for the tutorial, I wanted to show what it looks like on a blank base. You do need quite a bit of hot glue on the back of that. This nose actually popped off shortly after recording that, so I went back and I added some around the edges. So you do need a decent amount of hot glue to stick these on, but they are a little bendy from being hot glue, which is really nice for adding curvature. And then here I am just coloring everything in. Again, acrylic would work, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.